Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you two new items that I found at Dollar Tree. And the first one is this one. Look, it says that this is a hardware storage case, and this one is in the hardware aisle. And look, it's straight and it has a good size for your beads and small embellishments. And I'm going to show you the other one that they have in the office supplies. And it's this one right here, see? That is round right here. And compared to the sizes, this one is smaller, this one is a little bit bigger, and I like the structure of this one because you can put on top of any other box and it doesn't have this bump right here, see? And here is the compartments that it has. So if you're looking for a storage container to save your small stuff, this is a very good option. And the next item that it's new for me, I didn't see it before, is this wooden holder. It says right here, wooden holder. And I think you can use it as a tray to save some items, or like this, and you can put something to hang it on the wall. And I'm going to show you what things fit in here, okay? For example, right here, you can use it in your drawer to fit your ribbon. Look, they fit perfectly. These are the standard size of ribbon, and look, see, it saves the space for this one, right? So you can put in your drawer. And another thing is small bottles. For example, right here, this is my collection of inks and it fits perfectly. Look, see? And I was thinking that you can put an elastic right here and glue it on the sides, and then these bottles won't fall, and just you can hang it on the wall and decorate your wall with stuff like that. And if you put on a drawer, what you can do is just put them like this. You can put them all together and you have more room, but your drawer had to be the height of your item. And you can also save some of these small ink pads, and maybe you can organize them over there. And if you have a lot, you can fill it and then put another one on top, see? So it's easier to grab the first top and see all your ink pads. So you can use for many things. And another thing is to decorate with paper or paint and make a curiosity box. You can put the picture of your loved ones, and then right here decorate with small embellishments. You can put a handle and make a nice decoration. I'm very excited about how to use these boxes, and if I get any other ideas, I will show you later. Now follow me to a tour to Dollar Tree store and see more new items. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's start now. Here is the box that I show you, and here is another one that is smaller and slimmer. Can you see? This one is good for beads too. And it has all these compartments. Here you can find this product to clean everything that's sticky. I clean all of my tools with this one. In the craft section, I saw these tin boxes and they are new. Look at that size. Very nice, huh? And they also have these other boxes with a rope that you can hang. And right here are the new trays that I show you, and they are perfect for organization or DIY, see? And they also have these kind of boxes that has a good size too. You can storage many things in there. And also these cute little trays. Can you see? That will be perfect for Christmas DIYs. Look, the vinyl papers are back to the stores, and as you can see, you can find them in glitter and plain colors, and also these transfer papers that you can use for your Cricut. I also found these pony beads in silver and in gold color, see? And they have other beads in metallic color like these ones. These are little stars, and right here there are some flower shapes, And right here you have other metallic colors. And these are very festive for Christmas DIYs too. Can you see these bright colors? Then all the beads that I showed you before in another haul. And look, pearls of different sizes. Then in the candle aisle, you can find all these cute decoration. Look at these bottles. I love the colors. And they have all these new vases or jars or glasses to put candles or any other decoration like gems or flowers or something. See? Awesome. And moving on to the Christmas section, I'm going to show you some of the new stuff that they have in the aisles. See, like these mini bell garlands. Look, so cute. And then on the side, as you can see, they already put all the garlands. Look. So you can make DIYs or decorate the trees or your walls. Look, lots of these beautiful things. And right here, there are some fluffy bears for decoration. They're so cute. And right here, there is something very, very good. A 3-socket power bar. And this is just $1. Can you believe? Now, right here, I found all the socks with Christmas decoration. This is so cute and so useful for this winter. And right here, there are some new signs that I didn't see before. And right here, you have more of the decoration of the gnomes. And look, this is in the craft aisle for Christmas, and they put all the wood signs and wood decoration. It's awesome for DIYs. And you have many shapes and sizes to choose from. And right here, there are some LED lights that have Christmas shapes. And as you can see, they have these spheres, these ornaments, and these snowflakes. And it comes, I think, like 8 in each one. And look, here is the sample. Oh, 10 in each box. And here is the sample of how they look. And see, you can try and see how they look with the lights too. Then on the side, there are more different designs, and these are candy canes. And then right here are like Christmas trees, I think. Yes. And then they have these cars. Right here you can see better. See? The trucks, and then Santa's head. Look, this is how they look. And right here there are some small lights, and they have in 3 colors. In green, they also have in white, and they have it in blue. And you just need to put some batteries on. Can you see? Those 3 colors. And they are very, very small. And then right here are the ribbon. I love the Christmas ribbon. And they have many designs to choose from. They also have these bells that you can use for DIYs. They have in different sizes and in different colors. Can you see? Look, green, red, silver, and also in gold. And they have large, medium, small, all the sizes. And they also have these beads and these colors. And right here, you can have more of the bells. And last but not least are these new soldiers. I hope you enjoy this tour. See you next time. Bye-bye.